Hello, I'm Ada from the Chatbot team, and today I'd like to show you how to build an AI chatbot in under 2 minutes. So first, click Add Chatbot. Now choose the website option and enter your website URL. Once that is done, click Continue and wait for the website to be scanned. All of the sources from your website will be scanned by the bot. And when that process is done, you can choose specific pages and subpages that the bot will base its answers on. You can uncheck the ones that you're not interested in the bot responding with, as well as click on specific ones and uncheck the pages that you're not interested in. When you're done with that process, click Continue again. Now you can see firstly, the welcome message that was designed for your bot, as well as some useful buttons and some information, some links to your website and social media. You can edit it here or at any point later. Now click Continue again. As you can see, the website is still being scanned thoroughly, but you can already test it. So enter your question. We'll ask about the price of Chatbot first. And as you can see, you get an answer right away. Alright, thanks for watching. And if you'd like to know more about building a bot, check out the description under the video.